All right, so we're taking question 4.3 now. Four, 4.3, the question is determine the equation of the common tangent df in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So the common tangent df, I'm going to write the tangent df. When you are having a circle centered at the origin, any point on the circle can give you the opportunity to write the equation of the tangent. So let's consider the coordinate of point D under the smaller circle is 4, negative 2. So the equation of the tangent, when we are having a point on the smaller circle, the coordinate of that point is x1, y1. So the equation of the tangent will be x1 plus y1 is equal to the radius squared. So that point is D. So the equation of the common tangent will be written like this. Here is our x1, here is our y1. So we'll be having 4x minus 2y is equal to the radius squared, which was 20. 2y will be equal to 4x minus 20, and y will be equal to 2x minus 10. This is the equation of the common tangent. Answer question 4.3. Now, we're going to go to question 4.4. Question 4.4, they say calculate the value of t. Show all working. So we can see that t is on the line FG. FG being the radius of the larger circle. Yeah. Now, we know that the coordinate of F is 86 and the coordinate of G is 20, 0. Now, if we want to calculate the coordinate of, the value of t, we just have to calculate the gradient of the radius, f and g. So we're going to say distance between 2 points. I'm going to consider these 2 points. We will be having. Let's consider the common tangent. The gradient of the tangent df is 2. You can see here is 2. So the radius fg is perpendicular to df, meaning the gradient of fg will be equal to minus 1 over 2. Why? Because when two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient will be minus 1. So this will be the gradient of the radius fg. If we want to calculate it from here, we're going to get that, because the coordinate of g is 20 and 0. Yeah, question 4.4, we are looking for the value of t. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So I've already, we're going to consider the gradient of fg. It will be, let's g, we don't know the value of g yet. So g is t0. Gradient will be given by fg. Let's consider this to be 0.1. This is 0.2. So we'll be having y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to get here 0 minus 6. X2 will be t, and x1 is a, let me not do a mistake here. Letter G, F, y2 minus y1. So it's 0 minus 6. And the other one will be t minus 8. And this will be equal to minus 1 over 2. Because minus 1 over 2 is the gradient of the radius. So cross multiplying will be having here, negative 12 is equal to 8 minus t. So t will be equal to 8 plus 12, then we get 20. So the value of t is 20. Coordinate of G is going to be 20, 0. That was the answer for question 4. So I'm going to clean the board and we'll take the next question 4, 5, and the last one will be 4, 6. The next question is 4, 5. Question 4, 5 is determine the equation of the larger circle in the form ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. So remember, the standard form of the equation of a circle which is not centered at the origin is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to the radius squared. Now, our radius, it will be, let me calculate here, fg. The distance fg will be our radius. Coordinate of f is 8, 6. The coordinate of g is 20, 0. Let's calculate this distance. X2 square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared square root. If I consider the square of this, it will be our radius. So fg, this is 1, this is 2, so we'll be having 20 minus 8 squared plus y2, 0 minus squared. So it's going to be so it will be 20 minus 8, we're getting 12. 12 squared plus 6 squared, 86. Then we get 180. So the radius here will be 180. So the coordinate of the center is G, 20, 0. Here is our A, here is our A. A, B, they are the coordinates of the center. So our equation will be x minus 20 squared plus y minus 0 squared. This will be equal to 180. So our equation will be x squared minus 40x plus 400 plus y squared is equal to 180. We want to write this in this form. So it will be, the equation will be x squared plus y squared minus 40x. This will come this side. 400 minus 180. 400 minus 180. Then we get 220. So it will be plus 220 is equal to 0. Here's the equation. Question 4, 5. This is the form we are having. X squared plus y squared minus 40x plus 120 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the larger circle. Question 4, 5. We're going to go straight to question 4.6. This is the last question on question 4. The smaller circle must be translated by k unit along the x-axis to touch the larger circle internally. Calculate the possible value of q. So here we want to get the value of k. They say the smaller circle must be translated by k unit along the x-axis to touch the larger circle internally. Calculate the possible value of k. To get the value of k, we need, let's say here is our larger circle, here is our smaller circle. We need to get the coordinate of this point of contact, point of intersection of the x-axis and these 2 points of the larger and the smaller circle. How are we going to get this? For the smaller one, it's easy because we know that the equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to 20. The square root of 20 is going to give us, square root of 20 is 2 square root of 5. So we'll be having here minus 2 square root of 5. And the other side, it will be 2 square root of 5. Here. These are the 2 points. Now, for the larger circle, we need to solve for x here. These 2 points here, they will be having the coordinates will be, let's say here is x2, 0, here it will be x1, 0. Meaning, the second coordinate will be 0. Here, y will be replaced by 0. We will have x squared minus 40x plus 220 is equal to 0. We're going to solve this by using quadratic equation, reminding the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let's get the value of x here. We'll be having minus b, our b is 40, plus minus square root of b squared, 40 squared minus 4ac, 220 over 2. So let's get a calculator. 40. Yeah, okay, no mistake. 40 squared minus 80, we get 720. Square root of 720. Okay, so here is a 720, the number under the square root. So it will be x is equal to 40 plus minus here 12 square root of 5 over 2. Yeah. Now, if we divide 40 by 2, we're going to have 20. 12 by 2, we're going to get 6. So these are the values of x's. We'll be having 2 values. It's equal. The first one is 20 plus, on the calculator, I'm getting 20 plus 6 square root of 5. And the other one here, it will be 20 minus 6 square root of 5. Good. So here are the coordinates of this point. Here it's going to be 20 plus 6 square root of 5. And here it will be 20 minus 6 square root of 5. These are the coordinates of this point. Now, the question was to get what? The value of k. If we want to get the value of k here, what are we going to do? I'm going to clean the board here so we finish this question. the value of k will be this smallest circle will be tangent internally. It means this point here will come here, this one here will be there. The first value of k, we're going to calculate this distance here, and the second one will be this distance here. So I'm going to start with the first one. Let me consider this one. This one minus this one, k will be 20. So k will be 20 minus 4 square root of 5. That's the first value. The second value is going to be this value here minus this one. K will be equal to 20 plus 6 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5. So k will be 20 plus 4 square root of 5. If we want to calculate, I'm going to use my calculator for the first value. 20 plus 20 minus 4 square root of 5. Then I get here is approximately 11,06 unit. 11,06 unit. And the other one, 20 plus 4 square root of 5. That will give us 28,94. 28,94 units. So these are the value of k. I think we are done. This was the last question for 6. The value of k. Yeah. Here the value of k. 20 minus 4 square root of 5 and 20 plus 4 square root of 5. We are done. So if you can still send your question, I'll be responding to your question. We are done with this question. We will continue with question 5 next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video if you learned something. See you next time.